Challenge.
Challenge. You get the chicken. Huwag mo lang kainin. Pakita mo sa kanya.
Have care, right?
Okay?
This is my challenge.
This way.
Just wait.
This is the chicken. Show
Yup.
it. Turn.
Buka rin dun.
And then I will.
Hindi.
Ipakita mo chicken na dyan, no?
Chicken?
O, ipakita mo.
I can see.
Yeah.
This is
Head?
eyes, and then the feather.
Let's see the.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
eat.
And I will eat.
Yeah! Kita mo siya. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
How it tastes?
Delicious.
So delicious.
Kurang pa.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
It will make you strong.
No!
You said. You said it's gonna make you strong. This is.
Just the soft, the yellow. It's like egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
How's the taste?
Don't have taste.
Oh, na-video na ka lang.
Look here.
Kaya mo puti? Tigas?
Matigas.
Ito o, tinak. Akin na.
Ayoko matigas.
Yan
Yan lang
pa,
kinakain ko. Ayoko na.
Oh.
Bex, saka mo. Ina.
You eat one. You eat one.
Yeah, one.
One.
Pero not.
Not the chicken.
Yeah.
The chicken. Okay, I will eat the chicken.
No. Should eat the chicken.
Kainin mo yung
I'll
chicken.
eat chicken, pero
Pero,
not.
not.
Okay, you can speak Spanish, pero.
Pero, pero, pupunasan. Dala ka na. Okay, pupunasan.
Mabaho.
Mabaho. Mabaho.
Lumang kanti, ah.
Alam niya?
Smart, right? Mabaho.
Mabaho. Marte.
Marte, mabaho.
Jay. Mabaho. Jay, kung yung yung kung yung ay asin.
Okay, after you eat, you look here, okay?
Yeah.
And then mag-speech ka.
Spits. Ang sarap-sarap.
Ay, pakita yung chicken. Ano yung chicken?
Kinain niya ng buo.
Wow! Masarap?
Guwapo.
Masarap?
Masarap.
Delicious.